Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do that, and here we have to scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Now let's scroll a little and tap on the privacy, and here as you can see we've got the SIM lock section with our current SIM card, which is obviously inserted in this device. So let me tap on it, and at the very bottom we've got the option change SIM pin, so let's tap, and here we have to enter our old SIM pin, I mean the pin which is right now set. So let me do it, tap on OK, and as you can see right now we can enter new SIM pin, so just come up with some idea and just enter it. So let me use 4 zeros, tap on OK. Now we have to retype it and confirm it, and as you can see we've got the info that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that from now on if you will restart your device then it will require the new pin. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.